This is the complete mini gold cyanide plant which suited for small-scale miners with high gold recovery rate expectation. This mini CIP/CIL plant is a pilot scale test which is with the best using and low investment. We think you can get a cost return within 1 month production based on the raw gold grade. For serious miners, it's the best choice to maximally reduce investor risk and make you clear before you build a large CIP/CIL processing plant. All machines, including water systems and electric control system, will be installed well in 3 containers before shipment. The first container is for crushing, grinding, which includes jaw crusher, conveyor belt, hammer crusher, hopper, vibrating feeder, ball mill, hydrocyclone, mercury plate to extract gold in amalgamation, and so on. The second container is for gold leaching process. We will get max gold extraction in this container. Thickener for adjusting the ore pulp density, mixed with chemical agent in mixing tank. Pump the ore pulp to leaching tanks for leaching. Carbon washed in the carbon screen is loaded in the leaching tanks to absorb gold. The gold recovery will be higher than 90%. The third container is for gold smelting. After the carbon is saturated with gold, take out the gold-loaded carbon by carbon lifter for desorption electrolytic, separating gold from carbon. Then, we get a gold mud for smelting. At last, we get the gold ingot. You can operate all machines into production directly when open containers. The evolution from gold ore to gold ingot. We will complete the transition in this 10 TPD mobile gold CIL plant.